7 brothers stood, yet bowed to God alone. Felicity, their mother, strong in faith and prayer, watched her sons go forth with courage brave and rare.
Alexander, Januarius, Marshall, Philip, Sylvanus, Felix, and Vitalis with steady lip.
Dragged before the judge, they would not bend. Caesar is not God, their answer without end.
Scourge and chain.